Hello everybody and welcome to the Bosch Power Tools job site. This time I'm going to introduce you to another champion family of Bosch tools, the cordless impact wrench. This is the GDS 18V Li Professional, a compact but powerful cordless impact wrench. The GDS 18V Li Professional delivers up to 180 Newton meters of torque for outstanding work progress. It's also the fastest tool in its voltage class. This tool is equipped with Bosch's electronic cell protection, which protects the battery from overload, deep discharge and overheating. Therefore, the GDS 18V Li Professional and battery will have a lot longer runtime and lifetime compared to other tools without ECP technology. Another new feature on this tool is the conveniently located brush cap. It makes it quick and simple to remove the brushes. Simply undo the cap, remove the brush cap, and there you have access to the brushes. In 2 minutes you can have changed the brushes and get back to work. Besides that, the GDS 18V Li Professional is an extremely robust tool due to its specially designed housing. It will even survive 2-meter falls and continue to function properly. Besides the GDS 18V Li Professional, we also have the 14.4 volt version, the GDS 14.4 VLI Professional, both powerful and compact impact wrenches.